Both of these garage door openers have the same problem. This little micro switch is bad, and I was walking around the mall and walked into Radio Shack, and sure enough they had these little switches. They call them tact switches, T-A-C-T, and here's the problem. Nothing there. However, the circuit still does work. But the micro switch is bad. So it should be an easy fix for both of these. In replacing these, what I found was that the leads were too short on the Radio Shack. So I left the leads in there and then just positioned the new switches to one side and then soldered them. They're not going to go anywhere. And now they both work. Now all I have to do is put them back in the case. Both garage door openers now work the way that they should. The one on the right I had to do a little bit more work on. I had to file down the switch just a little bit because the garage door opener stayed on. In other words, the green light was on all the time when I put it back together. But it didn't take long. It filed down very quickly, and about 2 tries, and now it's done. Thanks for watching.